Good thing that nobody's here because I'm just gonna drink my beer. Yeah, fun. Never. I don't have anything. What's up, guys? Welcome back to. Wait.
Closing his door.
Okay. Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna decide to, we're gonna be in the bathroom, right?
I'm gonna record what if they move or something.
Yeah, we're gonna put the camera there, and then we're gonna go to the bathroom and stay there like about an hour. I'm just kidding. Like about 2 minutes. Like about 2 minutes, and then we're just gonna come out. And if they move, that means they're haunted. If they don't move, they're not haunted, because
I'm the camera dude, and that's why he was moving. I was telling him, so the character camera, and I was doing this. Just telling him to do it. Go, Yasin.
Okay, so today we're gonna decide to do something good.
I fucking really did it. Oh, I'm gonna put him in the background.
Yeah, guys.
Wait. This is the real bitch.
Así lo voy a poner para que.
Oh, yeah. Look at this man's ready, dude.
Yes, ya me miro good. Now I can stand.
Little bit. No, you can stand. You can stand.
Okay.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Right here.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, go.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna decide to do this. And if you see that move, because that sometimes move, and I don't know, we should put the other ones. The cow and the cow and
No, it's okay.
okay. So no, before we check these ones, let's check the cow then.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Us two, let's just check.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait here.
Okay.
Anything happens, I'm gonna. Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
Really?
I was kidding.
No, the cow's okay. It's in my room.
Yeah, he's just chilling there. There we go. There we go. So, we don't know if it's gonna work because a lot of people did this on YouTube, and for them they worked because I don't know what they did.
Move your hand.
I don't know what they did, but they did it.
Move a little bit. Because it looks like you're fucking, it looks like you're, like it's moving, but it's actually you touching it.
I was about to hit the bear, and then for accident I hit my brother.
No, you didn't even hit me. You almost.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Let me get back to you. Oh, fucking.
No, you touched it. You touched him.
Okay, no, I didn't. Oh my god.
The camera.
Oh my god. Comment down below if you see something like movie. This video is gonna be like an hour. Wait, I'm gonna
It's
check.
probably gonna be a fail video.
Mira, it's 3 minutes and 15.
Just go.
Okay, we're gonna go back.
We're gonna go in the restroom.
Guys,
So here's the video clip. Shit, my
we're gonna be in the bathroom like an hour. I'm just kidding. They don't see me.
No. Motherfucker.
So my brother's with me over here. If you see anything, because I'm gonna close the door right now. Okay, guys. Let's go to the restroom.
Wait, let's see outside. What the fuck?
Guys,
Is that the cow? Yeah.
look, the cow's over here. We were in the bathroom like 2 seconds,
And the cow just came from the room over here. That's weird. They just moved over there. But maybe it wasn't my mother messing with us. Wait, the door's open. The door was open. Yeah. Nothing open here.
Open the door.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's so boring. I'm gonna wait like about 40 seconds. My brother is pooping. He doesn't want to talk because I don't know. Like, he doesn't want to talk. So guys, we're over here and we don't know what to do because there's like, wait, I'm hearing things, me and my brother, right?
Yeah, like footsteps or so. Guys, the cow is again there. What is going on, guys? We're not doing all of this.
Maybe let's just put it right there.
But this is not moving. I don't know, but we're just gonna see. My brother's over here. I said it like in China. My brother's over here. Okay. Oh,
Put back the camera.
obviously.
I'm just kidding.
Let's go inside the shit.
And actually, it's 3 a.m.
No, it's not.
I say 10.
Yeah. But that's weird.
Yeah.
So close the door this way.
Yep. Guys,
What the fuck? What the? Let's go outside. Let's see.
okay, guys, we're gonna go outside.
Nothing looks like a change.
Yeah. Y'all heard that in camera. There was a big bang. Like, this is not even creepy at all.
Yes, it is.